Travels with Dottie here with the #1 most exciting YouTube video you have ever seen. Trust me, you are unprepared for what's in store for you today on this Sunday afternoon. Are you ready? Are you ready for the plan? Okay, are you sitting? Make sure you're sitting. And you're coming with me, we are going to Albertsons to buy some sushi. Yes, we're going to Albertsons to buy sushi. You know, you've never seen anything like this before and are unlikely to see anything like this in the future. And with that said, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the exciting trip. And here we go. I am speeding. I'm breaking the rules at Preferred RV Resort because I'm going 5.1 miles per hour, which is a full 0.1 mile per hour in excess of the speed limit of 5 miles per hour. And this is what you tune into this channel for the excitement and the risk taking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, 5.4 miles per hour. Probably might get kicked out of the resort, but for you thrill seekers, this is what I'm here for. I'm here for you. Okay, we're about to make a pretty violent turn here, a 90-degree turn. Oh, we have cross traffic happening, but he's going to let us go because he sees we need business. We have the main desert in front of us outside Pahrump, Nevada. Why are we going to Albertsons for sushi? Well, because I see them, they make it right out there in front of you. So it's like I get some comfort knowing that they're making it fresh right there. Where I'm sure you can get sushi at Smith's or Walmart, but I'm just not sure where they're making it and how old it really is. It's probably fine, but I like knowing where and how my sushi is being made. And why I'm craving sushi, I have no idea. I just am. There's this political sign there that says, ballot votes no to 1, 3, and 6. That's all it says. So the expectation is someone's going to read that sign and go, okay, I trust you. I'm going to vote no on 1, 3, and 6. You might pick up some votes that way. Because if you wait until like you go into the voting booth to vote on those measures, they're confusing. So every state that I've ever voted in, you can go online and there's a resource that says for measure number one, this is what a yes vote means and this is what a no vote means. And then they'll have a summary of what are both sides of the story, what's the controversy, what do people for it say, what do people against it say. So you have a really good idea of what the heck is going on. And I like it. I like to vote by mail. I do that in Nevada because I can sit down, take my time, look that stuff up, and also I can look up, local candidates that I don't know and get an idea of what they're like and what they've done in the past. So I voted. I took care of that and done my civic duty. And we have arrived at Albertsons. I'm just going to get 2 packages of sushi since I had such a hankering for it. Can't buy more than 2 because it doesn't last that long. And I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think it's a great idea to freeze sushi. I'm just going to guess that won't turn out that well. So we'll have it sushi tonight and maybe sushi for lunch tomorrow. I shall return. I shall be right back. And yes, here I am. I have gotten my grocery supplies. Two meals worth of sushi, California roll style. It's a Sunday afternoon, about 1:15. It was a little busy in there, a little bit busy. We're gonna turn her around here. And we are gonna go through the Wally Mart parking lot to the other side and to the exit. I have no idea why I've had such a craving for sushi. Maybe it's my body telling me I need the fish and the rice. Who knows? But it's definitely strong. 'Cause I've got a bunch of food. I'm pretty filled up with food and plenty of things I could eat, and just none of it appealed to me other than the idea of sushi. kind of the fast food row here. Jack in the Box, Arby's, McDonald's. And, you know, everybody has noticed the sharp increase in prices in fast food. And, you know, it's natural to wonder what's behind that. And some people say, oh, it's because of these newfangled higher minimum wage. They're paying people too much. And I saw a guy did a very good YouTube video where he presented a lot of verifiable evidence on this question. And he did demonstrate that he looked at areas of high wages in McDonald's and versus the price. He was looking at the price of a Big Mac, which is a, you know, pretty solid thing to look at. And there was no correlation between wages and the price of a Big Mac. Although the price of a Big Mac, there was quite a bit of variability throughout the country. And his theory was, and you know, he acknowledged he couldn't really prove cause and effect, but the advertising costs have skyrocketed, and that's something like at a McDonald's is driven by corporate. You know, the franchisees have to pay a chunk of that. And there were some other fast food places that were doing the same kind of thing. There was an example of, I wasn't aware of this, but apparently they get celebrity endorsed meals, like, you know, Big Mac fries and a Coke or whatever, or some specialty thing that they name after a celebrity. And there was one they pointed out in McDonald's, and a celebrity, I didn't even know who the heck it was. I didn't know the name or the face. And they said they paid this individual $22 million for the endorsement deal. And that is like $3 million more than the whole head of McDonald's makes in a year. Kind of ridiculous. And I find it hard to believe that those kinds of meal endorsements drive sales. It's just, I don't know. So anyway, we're home. We're back. So that has to take the prize for the silliest video I've ever done. And I don't even know at this point whether I'm going to publish this one. Maybe if I get caught short someday this week and I really desperately need a video, I'll put this one out. You know, I'm sure you guys got it. The beginning of the video was all tongue-in-cheek and me making fun of dramatic videos. But if you watched this whole thing and got enjoyment out of it, let me know, because I want to know who you are, who enjoys this kind of thing. So I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos. I will see you tomorrow.